Barely.
Hi YouTube, it's me,
Alright,
Juan,
sir.
and right now I'm playing
How are you
basketball.
retards?
Playing
Move out of the
ping
camera.
pong. We're playing.
How are you retards and tards? Welcome to Ping Pong with the H-Dog Sex. Alright, let's do it.
I sure didn't want me to shut the flag. That sounds
Make sure
good.
the camera's good. Good to go. Yeah, you're okay. Alright, let's go. Hit the ball already. Why are you taking so long? How do you lose?
No,
Damn.
that was on you.
No?
Yes.
I haven't played ping pong for about 5 minutes now. I didn't say I was ready to go.
Yeah, but that thing like memes do when you like dab and you go like.
I hate memes. I'm just kidding. I hate dabbing.
Well, you just did it.
No, I didn't.
You did.
So she get for life.
No.
Stupid net. Why is it even there?
Trolling a kid with a fat list.
You're a kid with a fat list. I always told you when I was on troll, but it was you with the fat kid.
Do you
with
guys
the
like
list.
my shorty shorts?
Yeah, you like this self-drawn Sharpie H-Dog
This
6
is my merchandise.
hat logo. Yeah, and there's only one.
And I have a t-shirt too.
Look, I've got some merchandise. If anyone's wondering why I'm wearing my merchandise backwards, you can go to Universal Studios and get one of these because I drooled on it so I can be funny in this one's video. Otherwise it would have been bland and boring.
The mean thing is, I don't know.
Grab the camera. Get this on tape.
Okay. Hi YouTube.
Okay, I got it. Alright, now put it back, slave.
How about you, Duke? I don't know where it went.
That's it. Alright, I'm using my balls.
No, I got it.
Shut up. I got it!
What would you name this YouTube video?
Ping pong ball retard.
Okay, it's awesome.
Wow, you suck.
Not a bad one, bro.
Come
I
on,
haven't played in, like,
why don't you play the real way?
Hey!
That was your fault. You lose 2 points for being gay.
Yeah. What?
Now watch me nay and dab. Nay and dab. I'm sorry guys, I'm not trying to be a cringy dabber, but I know what happens in 2016 should stay in 2016, but
No, now dabbing is
explain
like this.
yourself, H-Dog, of why you were so
Dabbing's like this. Not like, whoo. Okay.
yeah, like on Nickelodeon.
Whoo.
That's why you never put it. That's why you never try to be hip and cool if the kids, especially if you're a company. I know, but you gotta realize if people are gonna do like trendy things, especially on Nickelodeon.
Are you kidding me?
Trends die in like 5 minutes, so once they are, they're gonna be cringy. Always cringy.
You like zoom in on that, like just go like blink and then just go like.
Well, the show makes people dab. It appeals to my generation.
And then you just go like a clip.
Do you remember when they did like, now watch me dance, now watch me Patrick dance? Do you remember that? It was like, now watch me do the Patrick dance. They got the actual guy, what is his name? Fat Toe? Yeah. And now watch me young, now watch me Harvey Free. Remember Harvey Beaks?
That show was horrible.
That show was like the only thing they had though. It was actually really good. Do you know what Chowder was by any chance?
Stop it!
You lose.
You're making me just like get the ball.
It's because you lose. Maybe if you hit it.
You need to put a clip in like like when you get triggered like that, you just go like
I'm triggered. Alright, I will beat you this time, you fat piece of crap.
It is Sunday, my dudes.
F.
How would you like it if I did this to you?
I wouldn't. Please don't.
Ah! Oh, come on.
Dude, that was off your point because it hit off your thing. Jesus, dude, you could have killed me.
It's called a pink
I'm
eye.
going home.
Okay.
Bye.
It's been like not even an hour.
I ain't playing it right now. Who really cares?
Oh, skills.
get in the bathroom.
I was playing with it.
Yeah, quit playing with balls.
Hey, we're not talking about anything inappropriate on this channel.
Balls, balls, balls. It's not even your channel, it's mine.
You have to make it fairly.
Ballsy, ballsy, balls, balls, ball.
Can you?
Gosh dang it. It's really annoying being asked you 2 questions at school. I think it follows me everywhere.
Wait,
Like,
no.
I can especially feel bad for you, because you kind of suck at YouTube.
Now watch me crap on myself.
Alright, that's the end of our ping pong match.
It's
Please
fine,
subscribe forever.
Don't wait, no. Thank you guys for watching. This is not my channel.
They can't understand you.
Because I'm a doucher. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, go
No,
show.
Put your hands down, okay?
Hello.
No, stop. Don't move your chin. Hello, my name is Hayden. Please subscribe to H-Talk 6.
Subscribe to my channel, the H-Talk 6.